Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad is updated so Shortcuts behaves predictably. This avoids permission errors later. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus sign to begin. This creates a new, empty shortcut. Now add a name and pick an icon so you can identify it quickly. This matters when you add to home screen. Once done, choose the first action from the action library. Pick something simple like Open App or Get Current Date to test the flow. Now you construct the middle of the shortcut by adding and ordering actions. This is where you build the how. Drag actions like Open App, get contents of URL or scripting blocks into place, and then name or store variables so later steps can reuse data. Use if blocks for choices. This keeps the shortcut flexible. Test frequently with the play button, observe results, and make incremental fixes. Small iterations catch logic errors before you finish by saving the shortcut and then add it to the home screen or a widget for one-tap access. This is the payoff. Make sure you grant any required permissions when prompted. Without them, actions like photos or location will fail. If something breaks, run a simple test action like show notification to confirm the engine works, then recheck each action and your variables. If needed, duplicate and strip actions down to find the failing step. This isolates the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.